Well, good morning everyone. I've come out into this little bit of woodland today and I've given myself a bit of a challenge. I've only brought one lens with me. I've brought my 90mm macro lens and I'm intending just looking around, trying to find more intimate details and see if we can get some nice close-up shots. So follow me down further into the woods and we'll see what we can get. I've just come across this amazing area. The ground is absolutely covered in the funnel webs of the labyrinth spider, and one in particular, this one down here, just at my feet. I'm going to concentrate on this one. Don't know if you can see the little hole in the middle where the spider goes right down into the ground. And these webs are always built flat on the ground like this to catch any prey that just happen to fall into the web. And if they do that, then I'm afraid they're a goner. So I'll get the camera set up and I'll do a macro shot of this, which would hopefully show you in more detail. Okay, this is a pretty straightforward shot. I've got the camera set up and it's pointing vertically down straight at the funnel web. I've dropped my ISO back down to 100, shooting at f9, and that's giving me a shutter speed of a 15th of a second. So I'll take the shot and then I'll put it on the screen. I'll just check the sharpness of that one. That looks lovely. So I'll put that on the screen now. If, like me, you oftentimes find it very difficult to find a subject to photograph, particularly in woodland, which is very chaotic anyway, I've actually found it very beneficial just to step back from it from a bit and stop looking, just sit and take in your surroundings, and your eye will get tuned in. And what I'm going to do, I'm having a coffee at the moment. Once I've finished this coffee, I'm just going to walk around. I've selected a little area here and I'm just going to stick to this area and wander around and see what I can find. So I'm going to enjoy this coffee first. I think I found another really interesting subject here. It's this little curled up fern here. I love the pattern it's making and the contrast between the green colour and the kind of dark reddish brown. So I've got the camera set up. I'll take the shot and I'll show you on the screen after I've taken the shot. I've had to get right down close for this shot. Got the camera on its tripod and you see I've got it flattened right down onto the ground. I'm fairly close to the subject. I'm about 15 centimetres away from the subject. I've upped the ISO again back up to 400 ISO this time. I'm shooting at f11 and I'm thinking I'll do a 3 image focus stack because being so close to the subject gives you a very, very shallow depth of field. Shooting at 1/6 of a second, which I'm hoping will be enough because there's a little bit of a breeze, but hopefully I can shoot between gusts of that. So I'll take the first shot now. I've focused right on the very front of the subject, and then I'll take another two after that, gradually focusing more towards the back. So let's take the first one. Just check the focusing first of all. Again, using manual focus. I prefer to use manual focus when I'm shooting macro shots. That looks good. So here we go, first shot. Okay, I'll just move the focusing slightly. Take another shot. And then a final shot. Let's refocus again. And that looks good. So I'll put it on the screen now and let you see it. Well, I'm going to head off home now and have a bit of breakfast. I hope you've enjoyed the video today. If you have, I would ask you to consider liking and subscribing the channel. And if you hit the little bell notification icon, that way you'll always be updated every time there's new content added. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye for now.